Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, then to the, well, excuse me, you don't have to go to the security section, you just go to the fingerprint section here. Then you have to select your backup screen lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just set PIN. Then you have to enter your PIN. Then you have to confirm it. Then you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just disable notifications and don't show them at all. And what you have to do next is to just find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and tap it with your finger several times until it remembers your fingerprint, just like this, and fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your device without entering PIN code with only just your fingerprint. Let me show you one more time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.